Katie Nobles, and thanks so much for joining us. With me today, we have disability attorney Michael Leiner, and today we're going to be talking all about administrative law judge approval rates.
That's right, Katie. And today we're going to be specifically talking about the latest statistics to come out of the Cleveland Office of Hearings and Office of Hearings Operations. Every judge has their own view of the law, even though they are supposed to be applying it the same. One of the things that we find so interesting is how the ALJ pay rates in different offices across the country, and even in the same office but different judges, tends to be so different. But the numbers that I'm going to give you today are going to be the numbers from the first quarter of the government year, but the final quarter of the fiscal year for 2021. So these numbers are the ALJ approval rates for every ALJ at the Cleveland Office of Hearing Operations between September 25th, 2021 and the end of the year. So without any further ado, I'm just going to go in alphabetical order, Katie. The first judge is Judge Frederick Andreas. And Judge Andreas is currently approving 50% of the cases that come to disposition. The next ALJ is Judge Peter Beekman, who is currently approving 34% of cases. Judge Amy Budney is approving 64% of the cases that she's reviewing. Judge Joseph Hajjar is approving only 30% of the cases that Judge Hajjar is reviewing. Judge Traci Hixson is approving 68% of the claims that she's reviewing. The chief judge in the Cleveland office, and this is usually based on a smaller number of hearings actually held because of her other duties, Judge Jessica Hodgson is currently approving 71% of the cases that she's reviewing. Judge Keith Kearney is approving 54% of the cases that he's reviewing. Judge William Leland is approving 47% of the cases that he's reviewing. Judge Pamela Loesel is approving 40%, and the exact same number, Judge Penny Loucas is approving 40% of the cases that she's reviewing. The lowest approving judge in the office, Judge Traci M, is only approving 17% of the claims that she's reviewing. It's particularly hard to win a case with her. Judge Joseph Rose is approving 52% of the claims that he's reviewing. And finally, Judge Eric Westley is approving 63% of the cases that Judge Westley is approving. So you can see across the board, we've got a judge, Judge Traci M, who's only approving 17% of the claims that she's reviewing. You know, on the high end is Judge Hodgson at 71%, but it's based on a fewer number of claims. But Judge Traci Hixson, who routine is a very active judge in the Cleveland office, is approving 68% of judges. You can see how big of a difference that is. These are questions that we get from our clients so often, and we're glad to be able to share this information with you.
All right, thanks so much, Michael. And of course, we'll be sharing all of the information with you. If you have any other questions, or if you want to see these numbers written down, you can visit our website. That's linerlegal.com.